Hi guys, welcome to today's Forex market wrap video with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst here at Blueberry Markets. We're going to take a look at these markets then and see how they performed from the Forex market outlook video. And first off, we're going to start with Euro US dollar. Now, Euro US dollar for us, we're looking for a short opportunity in and around 121.54, and price came up, give us a really nice rejection just in here. And if you were down here on the lower time frames looking for some trading opportunities, price fell nicely to the downside, retested this structure area down here, has since bounce, and the market's actually just retesting that level on a bit of a break and retest. So you know, the move here may not be done on euro. We may get another punch to the upside. I'm still looking for that dollar strength to really get involved. We started to see a little bit of it. We saw that last week, but this week it's completely overturned. Obviously, the inauguration of Joe Biden has happened this week, so I don't know whether that has given us a little bit of some dollar weakness going through the week, but pretty much ever since that day happened, we've seen the dollar weakness continue. But you know, still looking for some potential euro downside, still like euro downside. And one particular market we looked at was euro yen at around about 126.12. Price came back into that level, rejected really nicely, and moved lovely to the downside again, back into some structure areas down here. If you banked the trade through there, you would have done very well. Price again has since come back up and broken through. We've got to be a little bit cautious of trading euro short at the minute now, because we are seeing some changes in trends. But essentially, the market can retested that key level of interest and fell nicely to the downside. Kiwi was another one that we liked the look of. Now, Kiwi actually went a little bit higher than I anticipated. I didn't expect price to break through this area of 0.7183. However, when we was looking at the charts, and in particular we looked at Kiwi CAD for a long opportunity, the market looked to me like it wasn't going to stall at this point. It tried to initially, and then trend just continued to break it through. Again, price came into it, rallied away from it. So it wasn't really one to start looking for short opportunities, unfortunately, even though, you know, Kiwi has been quite weak for a while. We were expecting the pullback, but not quite as a deep retracement through here. So we'll have to assess again going into next week what the strength and weakness suggests. Daily charts looking okay. You know, it's come back up into this level, rejecting, looking like a bearish close here, that we're going to see today. So we could look for some downside going into next week. But again, in the outlook, we'll look at the strength and weakness analysis, and we'll see how Kiwi stands then. Talking about Kiwi, we looked at buying Kiwi CAD from this area. This was a nice little move through here. The market came back down and retested this double bottom. Now, originally in the outlook video, we were looking to get short, and we were looking to get short around about 9,125. However, price just kept falling throughout the start of the week into the support point, and what I noticed was these very low ranging candlesticks. Now, typically when you see low ranging candlesticks, the market is about to impulse in a specific direction, and in this case we were finding these low ranging candlesticks at an area of support. So this suggested to me that we could see a rally up. Now, because we were looking to get short in and around this zone through here, it made sense to look for that as perfect targets in and around this area, because we have resistance, support, most recently resistance as well. So when we look to buy, we're looking to buy back up into this 91.25, and again, we'll have to assess how the market sees this area here going into next week, because we're starting to see some bullishness come back into the market, some more sort of risk on sentiment. But this week so far, euro, or this week, with the levels pointed out were pretty good. One level that we did look at as well was euro CAD. We didn't get triggered into this move. Unfortunately, price just continued to push to the upside. We were looking for one more continuation of this downtrend, but didn't end up getting involved with the move there, and price has eventually moved to the upside again. Weekly's just coming to a key point. I was expecting a little bit more downside, but this isn't looking like we should continue to get short. The Canadian dollar has actually weakened quite a little bit against what the strength and weakness analysis was heading towards going into this week. So be interesting to see how the Canadian dollar shapes up. But we can sit there now and we can cancel this move through here, because we don't need to be involved with it. So I hope you enjoyed the content this week. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll speak to you soon.